Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In today's video, I'll try to compare the Antutu benchmark test results between the Snapdragon 870 chipset versus Snapdragon 865 versus Snapdragon 860 as well. So recently friends, the Snapdragon 870 and the 860 are new into the market, and a lot of users are really interested to know where those two processors will be coming up with the Snapdragon 865, which has been already launched previously. The phones which I'm using is the POCO F3 and the OnePlus 8T device as well, and the POCO X3. Right now I do not have the POCO X3, but I'll be using the screenshot which I have downloaded from the online. I did order my POCO X3 smartphone, so very soon I'll be receiving my device. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned friends, just in case if you want to know more details about the POCO X3 Pro as well. So let's begin the test friends. First let me try to open the Antutu benchmark test results on this POCO F3 device, so which is the POCO F3 as you can see here, so which has the Snapdragon 870 chipset. Let me try to quickly open, and it is a OnePlus 8T. So OnePlus 8T has the Snapdragon 865, which is a previous year latest chipset. So as you can see friends, here is the three Antutu benchmark test comparison from the Snapdragon 860 to the 870 to the 865, and from then to the 870 processor. As you can clearly see friends, all the three different processors and their Antutu benchmark test results. You can clearly see the difference from the Snapdragon 860 to the 65. It's close to 1 lakh difference. From 65 to 70, it's close to I think 60,000 or maybe 70,000 difference, as you can clearly see friends. So this will give you the clear idea about how the Snapdragon processors are performing in this kind of range, in this kind of Snapdragon 860, 865 and the 870 chipset. So between all of these three smartphones. So in case if you are having any other queries regarding this smartphone, so make sure to comment below friends. Definitely I'll do my best to cover on this all the phones, and definitely I did order my POCO X3 Pro. I'll be very soon I'll be receiving my POCO X3 Pro device, but meanwhile I did get this kind of screenshot online. So for the time being, I will be using this screenshot every time when I'll be showing the Antutu benchmark test results. And sorry for that friends, and thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos and a lot of comparison reviews as well. So that's it friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.